What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create shorts out of your long form content on YouTube. Let's get right into it. Come over here and click on your profile picture, then come over here to your channel, click on it. So right now you're going to go to your content and see which video you want to create a short out of. So let's say I want to use this one, click on it. Just going to wait for it to play. Okay, then pause. So right now I'm going to click on clips. Click on that. Then I'm going to add a title right here. Well, now this title you're going to type here is not really that important yet, so I'm just going to put that. Then share clip, then go back, click back on your phone, back, then come over here to library, click on library icon down here, click on it, then come over to your clips, click on that. Then you can see the video we just created a clip out from right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, yeah, you can see the icon or short icon right here. You can now click on that icon. Now this is the part of the video that we made a clip out for. You can wait a bit for it to become clearer because right now it's dull. Okay, so now it's clear. So now they come down to next, click on next. So you wait for it to process. Sometimes it might give you an error, so I'm not sure if it's because if you try to increase the length of the clip when you're making it. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So if you come down here, we can leave a text. So let me click on text and just type subscribe, then done. Let's move it up here, increase it, then click on next. Now this is the title that really matters right here. So I'm not going to put the name of the game, Maximus 2, then type short, and that's it. So you can see it says visibility public, then we already have this audience. No, yep. So right now I'm going to click on upload shots. It's uploading right now, so wait for it to finish. Okay, so right now we can go back. You can see your videos is still uploading right here. One uploading. Now something you need to take note of is if you just uploaded a video, give it some time before you try creating a short out of it, because it might give you an error, and at that time your video is still being processed by YouTube, so you might just give it some time for it to run. Then maybe after an hour or two, or the second day, you can now try creating a short out of it. So let me go to my shorts video. Let's go back. Here I am, and look at it right here. So I can now click on it, and that's it guys. So that's how you can create shorts out of your long form videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.